Guys, I am staring at this log. This beautiful log is gracing my backyard. I'm so lucky to have this wooded back lot in my backyard. Like, literally, that to me does make it so worth it that I have the condo I do. And look at our little wildlife corridor. So this is like part of the green necklace here. But if you look into the research, like, this is probably some of the largest forested land in this part of South Euclid outside of the Metro Park. In this vicinity, because of the degraded tree cover in Cuyahoga County. So I am not mewing. I'm mewing and earthing. Basically, I was gonna make time to earth because I did it, and look at this little sweetie. I made time for earthing because of the I just didn't think I was getting that energy exchange that it's described as. And with all of our mixed frequencies, anything that's good for our cells is good for God, he is so happy. That's seriously, how does he know it's edible? Like, how do they know? By smell. It's amazing, these animal senses of smell. So I was on live Omega Fats on Plant Kingdom Snackery today talking about the sense of taste. The lost sense of taste is a vaccine reaction. It's serious. The lost sense of taste as a vaccine reaction is a serious vaccine reaction. And I'm one of the frontline responders because as a vitamin retailer, we're flipping hearing these stories. I'm hearing these stories about, this is now the second person. If this is still going, fine, I'll tell it again. If this is still going, the second person came in, said their taste was jacked up, their tongue was jacked up from the vaccine. Post the vaccine, ever since they got the vaccine. Is how it was described. Ever since, not like, that was like, it's more likely to be a vaccine reaction if it happens right after getting the vaccine. Like, it does suck, and we know it does suck. Everyone who's had a terrible time with this virus and the pandemic, we're with everyone. For everyone's love and healing, and that's what